your bed, honey.
I'm so excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
See, my wife put me to work.
This is Rajero's curtains.
Beautiful too.
Okay, the bed is gonna go on. Okay, go ahead. Nice and easy. There you go. Good job. Good morning, guys. Say good morning, Rajero.
Good morning.
So the day has arrived. Actually, where's my... Okay, first, I'm going to have my coffee. I literally just woke up. Well, not literally, but it's not even 9 o'clock yet. So I'm just having my coffee. And my daughter... Just 1 second, baby. Mommy's vlogging. Is that okay? Okay, just 1 second. So, my daughter still has a few things here that she has to come and get. This is Rajero's things, and let's see here. So this is what I'm going to do today. I have to clean this room. Jess said she's going to clean it, but I'm going to take advantage of this day because I am not working and Akeen is. I will get him to help me, maybe. We'll see what certain things, but I kind of like to decorate on my own, and I want to see the whole process from beginning to end. So this room is going to be clean today. My daughter still has a few things she has to bring to her new apartment. And this room is going to be transformed into Rajero's room. So stay tuned, guys, to see how it's all going to go down and what the finished product is going to look like. So, Rajero, are you excited to have your own bedroom? How excited are you?
Yeah.
You're really excited? I think once we get it all together and get his new bed in there and his you know, his bedspread and his pictures on the wall and stuff like that, I think he's going to be really excited. So stay tuned to see how it's all going to go down. Okay guys, the cleaning's done. Now is the hard part. This is the bed. Let's put it together. Okay guys, this is all of the pieces to the bed, all laid out and organized. So let's get started.
What are you doing?
Mommy's putting your bed together, honey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is Rajero's bed.
Yeah.
This is your bed, honey.
I'm so excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, Mommy's excited for you too, Papa.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
It takes so long to screw these things in. Look! Oh my gosh! You gotta have it in the right spot. There we go. Can't tell you how much I struggled.
There we go.
This Allen key, man.
This.
job. Can mommy see it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, Mom, yeah, you get what away.
Okay guys, so I put this upside down to fix it. It's coming along. I don't even know how this goes. Like this? Something like that. I think it's easier on this side. Okay, push it over. Good job, baby. Yeah, that's how you clean your room. Good job. You washing your floor?
Yeah.
Say, okay guys, this is how I clean my floor.
Okay, Dad, did it have clean my floor.
Good job. Okay, want me to put your curtains up and put your bed together?
Just tell me and then.
Just tell me.
Oh, sorry, Mom.
That's okay, honey. Does it fit or is it too short? Because I can put an extender on it. Okay, I need an extender. Okay, give me. Good?
Be careful. Okay.
Things that me a screw me now. See my wife put me to work. So, working.
Okay. He's tall, so I don't have to get up on a chair to do this. Nice. Okay, this is Rajero's curtains.
Beautiful too.
Okay. All right, let's put the bed now. Okay, the bed is gonna go on. Okay.
This is the mattress protector.
Yeah.
coming together. It's coming together.
Hold on, I'm gonna get the sheets in the bed.
Mommy, look.
Hold on, Papa. And this is not polyester, guys. This is cotton sheets for my babies. I don't put polyester. Nothing.
Daddy, look. Look, Mommy.
Hold on, Papa. Hold on.
Look.
Okay, thank you.
Look. That's my knee.
And when Mommy's done this, okay?
Okay. Oh, you making the bed.
Yeah, this is Rajero's bed. This is your bed, Papa.
Wow. Cat, go on
Hold on, Mommy's gonna make it. Just wait now.
there. Mommy, baby, try this one. Mom, try this one.
Just go 1 second. Huh? Hold on.
Wow, Mom, this rather pillow.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I hope there's 2 of those. I only see 1. Oh no. Hey, hold on.
Can go on it, Mom?
Hold on,
No,
Papa.
Raj, not yet, Dada.
Not yet.
No.
No. Okay, one more.
Are you sure it's this way or the other way?
Here, Mom.
What do you mean? What, the bed?
That like the sheets.
Yeah, that's right. Let me see if I can.
Hi. Mom, you.
Okay, we're gonna get the pillow.
Okay, painter. Guys, this is how it looking. What that, babe? What's the beer called again?
Casey Bear?
Boss put in case of beer on the bed. Ready.
It's coming together.
Guys, it's nowhere done yet, but
It's getting there.
it's getting there.
Do you like your new room? Okay, we're still not done yet. We're gonna put some books in here. Yes, my love.
You got a pillow.
Do you got your own room?
I made pillow.
Yeah. Okay, Mommy still got a little bit more. We're gonna put pictures on the wall. Put your books in your bookshelf. So this is it so far, guys. I put the pictures high just so he couldn't, you know, get at them and stuff. Just so they're not really out of reach, I suppose, but I didn't want them right close to his bed. So we'll see. I don't know, they might be a little too high, but I think they need to go down a bit. Okay, guys, so to my son, I want you to believe deep in your heart that you're capable of achieving anything you put your mind to, that you will never lose. Life is filled with hard times and good times. Stay strong, be confident, and just do your best. I hope you believe in yourself as much as I believe in you. You will never walk alone because I am always with you and love you forever. So that's that. So this is the big boy's room so far. Little night light, alarm clock, monster truck pictures. This says boys rules. No girls allowed. Play games. Use your imagination. Be loud. Oh Lord, I should cross that one out. Make music, yes. Climb trees, build a fort, have adventures, get dirty, use your outside voice. Inside, oh, that one's getting crossed out too. Tell jokes and have fun. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And you are strong. You are awesome. You are brave. You are kind. You are cool. You are unique. And most of all, you are loved. So this is it so far, guys. And his clothes are all in there. Nice and neat and organized. There's still a few things to do. So bear with me. But this is it so far. All right, this is his closet organized. I think I'm going to get him a shoe shelf because there is a toy box coming and he does need to get toys in here. There's no toys in here yet and he's got lots of toys. So I have to figure out the toy situation. So bear with me. I'm thinking I'm going to put the toy box in there and get a shelf for his footwear. Just trying to work that out. Okay, guys. Rajero's just laying down for a nap. He may change this, but I do have a toy box coming. But this is it for now. He's probably going to change his toys around when he comes in, but this is what it looks like right now. Big boy room. And that is how we transformed my daughter's bedroom into our son's bedroom. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching. Thank you for your love and your support. Thank you for words of encouragement, motivation, tips, all kinds of things that you guys are giving to us in our comments. We appreciate you all. And just remember, yes, please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So this is very exciting for us. We've been preparing for this for quite some time, buying pictures and, you know, getting furniture and bedding and just having it all out in the living room, waiting for my daughter to move into her new place. So she's all moved in. She's so excited. It's her first place. Guys, you know what it's like moving into your first place, right? She's so excited. I'm so proud of her. And she's not a social media person. Otherwise, we would show her new apartment as well, which looks just beautiful and lovely. And we were busy getting that furniture and stuff like, you know, for her, because she's starting from scratch. So she needed everything too. So yeah, I've been busy lately, you know, trying to get things for Rajero's room and to get my daughter's apartment. Anyway, it's all done. Phew, I'm so thankful. Waiting for this day, and it's finally here. It's finally done. So anyways, thank you for watching again. We appreciate you all. Yeah, we just love you. And yeah, so until next time, God bless you and peace out. Okay, guys, so this is his first night. Do you want to turn the blue light off?
No, I want it on.
Oh, you got something on your face here. You want it on?
Yeah.
I think we'll turn it off for when you go to sleep and just keep this one on low. So Mommy's going to get in bed and we're going to say prayers. I'm going to read you a book.
Yeah, Mom, can I close that door for you?
Yeah. And he's in his bed tonight for the first time, guys. You never know, he might come in ours, but we're going to get him started in here. Say goodnight to everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Say remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, like, comment, and subscribe.
Did you stay in your bed all night? Did you sleep in your bed all night? Did you like it? You didn't even come in Mommy's bed. I'm so proud of you. You like your bed? Yeah. I didn't know you were up yet. Wow.
I came in to see if he was in his bed, and then
He woke up?
right as I opened the door, he woke up and he's like, "Is mommy home?" I said, "Yeah." Yeah. I have to just pull the door and show him that you're home, and then I said, "Well, what's on TV? Mommy's sleeping." So, yeah.
Yeah, he never came in the room
Big
once.
boy, he wanted even his door to be closed, eh?
The first night guys, he's been sleeping in our bed for, what was it, 9 months?
Yeah, 9 months now. Yeah.
And last night was the first night he slept in his bed, and he slept the whole... I'm so proud of you, Papa. Oh my goodness. Big boy room. Wow. Toy box will be here today. How exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So, this is what I just got from Amazon. Okay, Raj.
Yeah.
Let's put this in your room, and it's for your toys, and we're going to put it under your bed. Okay?
Yeah.
So there's rollers on it. So see how it would go under his bed, right? And he can put his toys in there. So come here, honey. Let's see. Can you stack your toys in there for mommy, and then we put it under your bed? Can you? Oh, good job. Okay, so mommy wants you to put all your toys in there, right? And then we're gonna put it under your bed. So come help mommy. Come. Okay, line all those toys up in here. There you go. Good job. You could put some in this one too if there's not enough in that one. There you go. Maybe put those two in here. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. And then when you want to play with it, you can take it out and play with it, right? Yeah. But then when you're done playing with it, you can put it in here. Oh, be careful. When you're finished playing with it, you can put it in here and then roll it under your bed. Just to get it out of the way, okay? Here, mommy, help you. Okay, lift it up. Way up. Okay. Oh, no. Mommy wasn't very much help. Oh, no. What did mommy do? Where was this at? Where was this one? Okay, we could just do it like that, eh? There you go. Okay, now these go under your bed like this. Watch, mommy show you. Oh. Okay, hold on now. Okay, so we wheel it under your bed, and then when you want to play with it, you just take it out. Yeah. See? Whoa, that is so nice. What do you think? Is that a good plan? Look at mommy. Thumbs up?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Now we're going to get your TV set up, and mommy's going to get your toy box for these things, okay?
Yeah.
All right. You love mommy? Oh, mommy got your room all together. Oh, and your I'm going to put your shoe rack together too, okay? All right. Okay, go ahead. Nice and easy. Okay, other side. Okay. Other side. Good job. Other side. Good job. Do that one. Go ahead. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, this one. Good job.
Almost done.
Almost done. Okay, go ahead, hammer the corners. There you go. Other one. Little harder, little harder. Good job. There you go. Okay, and this one. There you go. Other side. A little bit harder. There you go. Good job. There he's almost together. One more level, okay? Okay.
Oh, where's the hammer?
No, you don't need to hammer. You need to put... All you need to do right now is organize your shoes. So put all your shoes on your shoe rack, okay? There you go. So this is the new air purifier, and it feels really cold, almost like an air conditioner. Hey, babe?
Mine.
Yes, my darling. Here we go. Okay, so put it in there. Okay, push that up against the box here. Sissy's got to come get that box, but push it up towards the box here, love. Oh, hold on. All right, that's the finished product of this thing now, of the shoe rack. Now we're going to go get the toy box. I'm hoping it'll fit in here. We might have to remove that box. I don't know. We'll see. Or we could put the toy box right here. We'll see. Okay, guys, this is his toy box. We put it together. Rajero helped me. So let's see where we're going to put this baby. Do you want to put it over here or what? Let me see. Can I see it for a second?
Yep.
I just want to see if it's going to fit in here. You probably won't want it in there, but no, it doesn't fit in there anyway. It's a little too big. So we'll have to put it behind your door here.
No. Mom, look, be careful.
Sorry. So, we'll see.
Oh, no.
Okay, you like it?
Yeah.
What were you saying a second ago? That's so cool?
Yeah.
He was saying, Mommy, that's so cool.
Mom, that's so cool.
So then, when we close it, I still got to put his TV together, but, oh, sorry, honey. See, it looks really nice and tidy, right? He likes his room tidy, so.
Mommy?
Yes, my love.
Oh, we gotta get your TV.
Yeah, we're going to put the TV here now. We're going to do that, yes. I just wanted to get your toys all put away so that that's done. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome, Papa. So there it is, guys. I changed it around a little bit. So, yeah.
Mine travel and poster.
Yes, Mommy's going to go and close the door. So, this is the finished product, guys. This is it. Completely done now. Completely.
Mommy, shut that door for me.
Yes. All right. So, guys, I did put those in the plugs so he can't do it. And I am going to take his remote from him at night.
Can go and shut the door for me?
Sure. Oh, you big boy, you want to be in your room now? Okay.
Shut the door.
Okay. All right. You're gonna what are you gonna watch on TV?
This.
What is it? Marsha the Bear?
No, this one.
Yeah, Marsha the Bear. Okay.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna watch?
This.
Okay, Baby Shark. All right. So he was at school all day, guys. It's the first time he's watching TV. I am not going to allow him to watch TV all day long. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, now we're bringing out... Okay, guys, now we're bringing out the garbage. Go right in, Papa. He's my little garbage helper.
Be careful.
All the boxes gotta go in the garbage from everything we got. Are you helping Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this right turn, Mom.
His new thing is he always got to hold the keys. Come on. Let's go to the garbage. Oh, be careful.
Oh, my butt.
Oh my goodness, what happened?
My butt.
Your butt? Oh, your foot. Your foot?
Yeah, my butt.
You probably should have your sneakers on, not your sandals. This is his new wig and his grandma bought him and he loves it, guys. So he helps mom with the garbage. Come on. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm just so excited. Everything is so clean and tidy. Everything's just clean and tidy now. Oh, you don't even know how happy this makes me. Just having everything back to order. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving it. Nothing like having a clean and tidy house for me. That's what gives me peace and happiness. So yeah, guys, we had 5 people living in a 2-bedroom apartment. So now, of course, minus 2 people, it makes a big difference. So anyways, hope you all have a good night and God bless. Until the next time. Mwah.
Ireland boss, and I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?